Look at the lace. Melted, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look here. Actually, it's really all about the install, and then I show you guys how I got this ponytail at the end. So yeah, let's go. Jumping right into this package by SunberHair, showing you all the goodies that was sent, as well as this wig. Look at the quality of this lace. It looked really good here. However, I did have to bleach my knots twice, and it worked out. Okay, y'all, so I'm ready to go ahead and hot comb this part. See here, I bleached the knots. Oh, I did that. That's why I'm gonna use this, because this is another TikTok technique instead of the wax stick. And y'all let me know if y'all want me to show y'all how I got this lace like that, okay? Baby, on flat. The girls on TikTok was not lying. Go get this. Stop using your wax stick. See this wax stick? Don't pay attention who it's by. Throw this out. Like, my wig is not greasy at all, and look how flat it is. And it took like less of the time. Yes? No. All right, I want like the dramatic baby hair. Oh my God, this is looking so cute. All right, bitch, not too much, because I'm gonna do too much. Ah! Our mighty shot. Let's get a little more of that. We're gonna add a little bit of this. I guess that look good. Okay, so the next step, we need to do the ball cap. Let me say that. I prefer to use these wig caps to get the perfect install. It's 2022, they got different types of ball caps now, and this company actually sent me 2 different types of ball caps. So you have, okay, this is the original ball cap that we all know of. See that? It's pretty thick. It's not thick, but it's pretty thick compared to the next. Okay, see this one? And then we have these really thin ones, and this kind of resembles the knee high. All right, you see the difference? And this is the newer cap. As you see here, it's a lot thinner. So let's sleek these edges back before I even do this. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Got To Be glue to lay down my wig cap. But first, let me make sure I get my edges back. And my cornrows are so old, you can't even see my parts. But I promise you, I have cornrows underneath here. Past the ears. I'm gonna cut right here. And it helps me when I do a little section at a time and then blow dry it completely dry and then move on to the next section. And then a little helpful tip, I like to take my finger and guide the spray along the cap. It helps. Okay, so you can see here everything is dry. I'm gonna go ahead and add just some skin tone makeup. Right here, I'm showing you what not to do. Do not dot your concealer on your cap, because I was on a little struggle bus, but this beauty blender, it came through and helped your girl out. Okay, now I'm just going to cut it using these shears that I should not be using, but they're extra sharp, so we're going to use them. Okay, so you can kind of see the sides rolling up a bit. So this one, I really do in extra small sections. Push down my finger and blow dry. Woo! Ow! Okay, so I just need to get this residue. So I'm just gonna use alcohol. I'm like trying to force myself to do this video. First of all, tell yourself you do not care. I do not care. I do not care. I do not care. Do it look like I give a fuck? Cause I don't. Go to my Instagram. Whoo, I had to just rewind it back. You know, I went from one phone call to the next phone call, like in between me recording, and Jesus. People are like, why don't you answer your phone? This is why. Today drained me. Now back to the ball cap, because it's probably like 3 hours later, no lie. But when I get on the phone, I get to yapping. If that person I'm on the phone with, they be yapping, and I yap back. My hair. So, see here, cleaned it up, got everything looking great. I'm trying to become that girl in my own eyes, and I've been drinking tea today. And then this is what the back look like. I'll keep it like that. Yes. Look at my part coming through with the ball cap. Don't play with me. Let me show you how you install it, girl. So it's put a little water right here, and I need to get these baby hair out the way so I can glue my lace down. Flip that bad boy back. I'm gonna put a little of this concealer that's like my skin tone around the edges because my first color was light. I think that's helping. Yeah. Yes, I'm using my Ghost Bond. And I plan on keeping this wig on for at least 5-6 days. So I'm gonna do 2 layers. Okay, let's pull this down. I think it's strong enough. Oops, I did not mean to touch that with my hand. I'm not worried about the white because baby, makeup, let me tell you, it's gonna do the job. So we're not gonna even pay attention to what color my edges are right now. I'm gonna add a little bit of my new favorite holding spray because it's the SHIT, you hear me? Now we cut the lace. I'm gonna have to cut this back because it's up a little far, not too much. Let me pull this out. I mean, of course I could leave it like this, but let's pluck this a little bit. It's a little too thick on the sides. This part look good. So yeah, let's get this together. I'm happy with that. Okay, put a little makeup on my part. Keep using the Fantasia. Let's swoop you back out. All right, y'all, it's time to go to sleep. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day, and I was gonna go to Target today, but I've been doing 101 other things, and it just ain't happening. I do have my tea on deck again. What is that? Oatmeal. I was eating oatmeal and turkey bacon, but my hair. So it's the next day. Let me show y'all what it looked like. Even though I'm not gonna style my hair until in the morning, I didn't know that it was gonna take me 3 days to do my hair, but life, it doesn't stop. And I've been one busy body, like doing everything. So let's take this off. Oh, baby, look at that next day lace. How about my forehead? Last night, my lace was kind of sitting on my head. Now that junk melted down. I'm gonna try to keep this wig on for a week. 5 days, 7 days, I don't know. Y'all see my bun I just did real quick. Just trying to test it out for tomorrow. Okay, yeah, so it's the next morning. I am ready to do my makeup. So, okay, makeup complete. Full face, baby. And y'all see this hair is so thick. It is 180% density. Alright, so here I'm showing you guys how I achieved this ponytail. Now, granted, this is just a video because this ponytail took me a while to accomplish. I ain't gonna even sit right here in front because I took that ponytail up and down at least like 2 or 3 times because it just wasn't sitting right. And you see here, like me adding on that wrap cap is what really helped keep it up. So if you do decide to do this with your wig, be prepared to spend a little time on it. Don't let my video fool you. This is YouTube and I have to edit and fast forward, but the end result, yeah, it's worth it. Baby, let me tell you something. This ponytail is not for the weak, but I did that. All right, let's take this off. Yeah, see, clearly I hit a moment, but we're getting somewhere. Got that bad boy slicked up, and then we're gonna do the curls. And I like to curl away from my face to pull everything back. And y'all, this ponytail style, I had it in for about maybe 4 or 5 days, and then guess what I have in my hair now? A ponytail. This wig ponytail, I don't know, this may be like my new thing because I love this style. I love it pulled up. I love it with the curls. I want to try it with like some bigger curlier hair as well. Let me know if y'all like to see that too. Oh my goodness. Okay, so swoop or not? Let's swoop. Maybe just a swoop behind the ear. Me don't know. Me so horny. Okay, baby, I did that. Okay? I think I'm gonna go for the swoop behind my ear. Look at the lace. Melted, baby. All right. I'm not worried about how the back look because mind your business. If somebody like, mind your business, ma'am. I look good from the front. Oh my God, my hair is so beautiful. I mean, so beautiful. I mean, wow. Wow. All done. All right, you guys, thanks for watching this long video of mine. Please leave me a comment down below and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.